So if I were to go around over here and bring in some objects, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and bring in this shape right here. And I'm going to go around and bring in this shape over here, just like this as well. And let's just go around and bring in this shape over here, just like this as well. So you can see that I got these visual elements. Let me just go around and bring in a text over here, just like this as well. And then this is what I have right here. So as I bring in different text and elements right here, just like this, as you can see, let me just go around and minimize that. You can see that whatever I bring, the latest stays on the top over here. So the square right here is at the bottommost area. Then you have this particular blob shape right here. Then you got the ice cream, and then you got the text right here. But let's say what I want is I want the text in the backmost area. Let me just close down the idea as well. So let's say I want the text in the backmost area. And in that case, what I can do is I can right click, and over here you can see that you can go around onto position. And then what you can do is you can go around and click on send backward right here. So let's just go around and select that, and you can see that it actually went one step back right here. You can also similarly go around over here and you get the same option, and then you can click on send to back as well, which brings it to the backmost area. Similarly, I can go around onto any other shape right here, and if I want to change around its position, then I can go around onto position and then bring it to the front as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and change out the object position as you like and place the objects wherever you want inside of a Microsoft Designer project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.